Hey guys, this is Rhett with Ozark Trailer Sales and Manufacturing. It's a beautiful November morning here, and we're excited to bring you a new line that we're expanding on, and that is the mini deckovers. So behind me, you're going to see the start of this line. It's going to be a 16-foot by a full 102 width. This specific trailer has a tongue box that's been added to it, 6-foot pull-out ramps, and this one has double brakes. So those options would not be standard at our starting price of $39.95. So these trailers will be offered between the 16-foot and the 20-foot lengths with 3,500 pound axles all the way up to 7,000 pound axles. So you will see a lot of standard features throughout each GVWR, but remember that the box, the ramps, and that second brake, which comes out to about $4,500, is not standard, but definitely options that we can build and make for you. So from the very beginning, all of my mini deckovers are going to have a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. Safety chains with catch. All of my trailers will have a brake. All these mini deckovers will have at least one brake. You can always add the second, but will come standard with your breakaway box and backup battery. You do have this nice 7-way plug with keeper. You're going to have this box, which is extra, but you can zoom in here and check it out. Nice, sizable, very large, lockable. It's a cool option with strut. All of my mini deckovers are going to have this step to easily access the deck space. Moving back here a little bit, you do have a 5-inch channel headache rack. My main frames are going to start with 5-on-5, so you have 10 inches of channel support stacked on top of each other. That's going to run all the way back to where the axle hangers stop. 5-inch main frame on the outside. All of my stringers are 3-inch channel on 24s. Stake pockets, 24-inch on center as well. Stake pockets and rub rail is also a standard feature. Moving back here a little bit, we do use pressure treated lumber. All of our lumber is double screwed at least every 4 feet. Holds down on cupping and bowing. This specific trailer has two 3,500 pound axles, so 7,000 pound gross. It's going to give you a total weight load of about 5,000 that you can utilize. 52s are going to be close to 7,500, and then 7s are going to be in that 11,000 pound range. And of course, the tire ply will go up, and the tire and wheel packages will be a little bit different as well. So coming all the way back here to the back, this trailer specifically has pull-out ramps, two 6-foot channel ramps. Those will support 5,000 pound piece of equipment for this trailer specifically, and the 52s as well. So they pull easily right out of the back and then hook onto those rails. All LED lights, all of our wiring is ran in conduit, 3M gel connectors, all of our paint, it's going to be hot washed, PPG primed, and you're going to get that nice acrylic enamel, that nice gloss finish, guys. We're really excited to offer this trailer and this new line to the Ozark line. There will be additional options. Like I said before, you can go up to 20 foot. You can add a dovetail if you'd like, and you've got those fold-down ramps as well. This is a great, kind of a smaller niche trailer for guys that are wanting to put pallets of material on here, but also wanting to haul equipment. So we're really excited to offer this at this price point. We feel like it's very competitive, but an all-around just very good trailer for just about anything from hauling equipment to palletized material. We think this is going to be a good fit. I appreciate you hanging out with me. This is the mini deckover line. If you guys need anything, just yell at us. I appreciate you, and God bless.